It's a holiday season, so a whoop-dee-doo and dickory-dock. Don't forget to hang up your sock, 'cause just exactly at 12 o'clock he'll be coming down the chimney down. He'll have a big fat pack upon his back.
It's a nuts house up in here. No games were ever played out here, like none. So hey y'all, we just got back from the mall. Me and my mom had to stop by Bath and Body Works because they just had their big candle sale, and of course I had to go rack up. We got not one but two big old bags from Bath and Body Works, so I'm gonna show you what I got. And then my mom just got a couple different sanitizers, so we went pretty ham. Okay y'all, fun time's over. We're actually about to clean this whole entire house, and then I'm going to decorate a little bit later tonight. I look crazy still. I know I said I was going to wash my hair the other night. It didn't happen. That's life. You guys want it real, right? So here we go. So yeah, I'm about to clean this whole house up because it needs it. I already did a deep cleaning like maybe 2 weeks ago, but just to make sure that my OCD is satisfied, we're just gonna clean the whole house, and then I'm gonna start decorating the inside of the house. And yeah, and I think pretty much for the rest of the night I'm just gonna be vibing out, so let's get to it.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas. Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.
It's perfect part 4.
What is it?
You're the birthday boy.
It don't matter. I like all Christmas music.
Here you go.
Weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we know a place to go, oh, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Running up, just baby, it's cold outside. I like the look that's in your eye. This feeling can't be denied. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Vlogmas day 8. Is day 8? I believe it's day 8 or whatever. I don't know. So today we just got back from brunch. I went with my uncle out to brunch really quick. Going to continue cleaning. You can hear my music in the background. So yeah, so I'm gonna probably be listening to my oldies and some Christmas music, and I'm going to continue cleaning, and we're going to decorate. So you guys can just listen to the music, sit back, relax, and watch me be Molly the maid. See ya!